Welcome back to World Explorer Mind WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. Your support means so much. A quick subscription helps me keep making content you'll love. Have you ever felt the pull of the past? A whisper from ancient stones calling you to explore? Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey, not just across miles, but through millennia. We're venturing into the heart of India to uncover the hidden wonders of its ancient Hindu temples. These aren't just buildings. They are architectural marvels, cosmic blueprints carved in rock, and libraries of untold stories. From the snow-capped Himalayas to the sun-drenched shores of the south, these sacred spaces have stood as silent witnesses to the rise and fall of empires, holding within their walls the very essence of a civilization's spirit. So get ready to be mesmerized as we explore the architectural genius, the divine legends, and the spiritual energy of India's most breathtaking temples. This is more than a tour. It's a pilgrimage through time. Our first stop takes us to the southern state of Tamil Nadu, to the magnificent Brihadiswar Temple in Thanjavur. Imagine this. Over 1,000 years ago, without any modern machinery, artisans built this colossal structure dedicated to Lord Shiva. Its main tower, or Vimana, soars over 200 feet high and is crowned by a single monolithic stone weighing a staggering 80 tons. How did they lift it? The ingenuity is mind-blowing. They are said to have built a ramp several kilometers long to roll the giant stone into place. The entire temple is a masterpiece of Dravidian architecture, covered in intricate carvings depicting gods, goddesses, celestial dancers, and warriors. As you walk through its massive gateways, you can't help but feel humbled by the scale and the devotion that fueled its creation. It's a testament to the Chola dynasty's power and their profound faith. Standing here, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient chants and the footsteps of kings. Next, we journey north to the state of Orissa, to the legendary Konark Sun Temple. This is not just a temple. It's a celestial chariot for the sun god, Surya, frozen in stone. Picture a gigantic chariot with 24 intricately carved wheels, pulled by 7 powerful horses. Each wheel, nearly 10 feet in diameter, acts as a precise sundial, capable of telling time down to the minute. The level of detail is astonishing. Every inch of the temple is adorned with sculptures depicting scenes from daily life, mythological tales, and vibrant celebrations of existence. Though parts of the main sanctum have crumbled over time, what remains is a powerful symbol of artistic ambition and astronomical knowledge. It's a poem written in stone, celebrating the life-giving energy of the sun. The sheer artistry makes you wonder about the minds and hands that conceived and built such a wonder, a true marvel of the Kalinga architectural style. Now, let's travel west to the incredible rock-cut caves of Ellora in Maharashtra. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a unique testament to religious harmony, featuring Hindu, Buddhist, and Jain monuments carved side by side. But the crown jewel is the Kailasa Temple, a monolithic wonder that defies belief. This isn't a structure that was built, but one that was excavated. Artisans started at the top of a single massive basalt rock and carved downwards, scooping out an estimated 200,000 tons of rock to reveal a complete multi-storied temple complex. It's the world's largest single rock sculpture. Dedicated to Lord Shiva, the Kailasa Temple is designed to represent Mount Kailash, his mythical Himalayan abode. Walking through its courtyards, past life-sized elephant sculptures and panels depicting epic tales from the Ramayana and Mahabharata, you feel completely transported. It's a feat of engineering and artistry so grand that it seems almost superhuman. Our journey then takes us to the heart of central India, to Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh. Famous for their Nagara-style architectural symbolism and intricate sculptures, these temples are a celebration of life in all its forms. Built by the Chandela dynasty between the 9th and 11th centuries, the temples of Khajuraho are renowned for their stunningly detailed carvings that depict mythology, daily life, and the spiritual pursuit of joy. While often noted for their sensual sculptures, these represent only a small fraction of the art. The true essence of Khajuraho is the harmony of its design, with soaring spires that reach for the heavens, symbolizing humanity's spiritual ascent. The Kandariya Mahadeva Temple, the largest and most ornate, is a perfect example. Its main spire is flanked by 84 smaller subsidiary spires, creating the illusion of a mountain range, a representation of Mount Meru, the mythical cosmic mountain. Khajuraho teaches us that the divine can be found in every aspect of creation. We can't talk about sacred temples without visiting one of the holiest cities on earth, Varanasi, in Uttar Pradesh. Along the banks of the sacred river Ganges lies the Kashi Vishwanath Temple, one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, the most sacred abodes of Lord Shiva. While the current structure was rebuilt in the 18th century, the site's spiritual significance is timeless. The temple, with its gold-plated spires shimmering in the sunlight, is the spiritual epicenter for millions of devotees. The energy here is palpable. The narrow lanes leading to the temple are a sensory explosion of sounds, smells, and colors. But within the sanctum, there's a profound sense of peace and divine presence. A visit to Kashi Vishwanath, especially when coupled with witnessing the mesmerizing Ganga Aarti ceremony at dusk, is an experience that connects you to an unbroken chain of faith stretching back thousands of years. It's a powerful reminder of the deep spiritual currents that flow through India. Heading back down south, we explore the ancient city of Hampi in Karnataka, the former capital of the glorious Vijayanagara Empire. Spread across a surreal landscape of giant boulders and lush palm groves, the ruins of Hampi are dotted with hundreds of temple complexes. The Virupaksha temple, dedicated to a form of Shiva, has been a center of worship since before the empire even began and is still active today. But perhaps the most iconic structure is the stone chariot at the Vitala temple complex. A marvel of craftsmanship, this shrine is a miniature version of the temple itself, and its wheels were once capable of turning. The Vitala temple is also famous for its musical pillars minus 56 pillars that, when tapped gently, produce different musical notes. It's an acoustic and architectural wonder that showcases the incredible scientific and artistic achievements of the Vijayanagara period. Hampi is not just a ruin. It's a vast, open-air museum that tells a story of immense wealth, artistic patronage, and unshakable devotion. Let's now ascend to the misty hills of Uttarakhand, to the Char Dham, the 4 sacred pilgrimage sites high in the Himalayas. Here, nestled amidst breathtaking peaks, are the temples of Kedarnath and Badrinath. Kedarnath, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is a rugged stone temple that has withstood centuries of harsh weather. Reaching it requires a challenging trek, but the spiritual reward is immense. The sense of accomplishment and divine connection you feel upon arriving is indescribable. Further on is Badrinath, dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Its brightly colored facade stands in stark contrast to the stark, snow-covered mountains surrounding it. Situated on the banks of the Alaknanda River near a thermal spring, Badrinath offers a feeling of divine serenity. These temples are not just about architecture. They are about the pilgrimage itself, the journey of overcoming physical hardship to achieve spiritual enlightenment, a tradition that has called to seekers for countless generations. Our penultimate stop is in Madurai, Tamil Nadu, at the awe-inspiring Meenakshi Amman Temple. This is not just a temple. It's a vibrant, living city within a city. Dedicated to the goddess Meenakshi, a form of Parvati and her consort Sundaraswar, Shiva, the complex is a dazzling explosion of color and activity. Its most striking features are the 14 massive gopurams, or gateway towers, which are covered with thousands of brightly painted stucco figures of gods, goddesses, demons, and animals. The tallest tower reaches about 170 feet, and each one tells a story. Inside, the Hall of 1,000 Pillars is an architectural marvel where each pillar is intricately carved. The temple is a hub of constant celebration, with music, rituals, and processions happening throughout the day. It's a testament to the enduring power of the divine feminine in Hindu tradition and a place of immense spiritual energy and artistic splendor. Finally, we travel to the coast of Gujarat to see the Somnath Temple, another of the 12 sacred Jyotirlingas. This temple has a history as dramatic and resilient as India itself. Known as the Shrine Eternal, it has been destroyed and rebuilt at least 6 times throughout history, each time rising from the ruins as a powerful symbol of faith and perseverance. The current structure, rebuilt after India's independence, stands majestically by the Arabian Sea. The location itself is believed to be sacred, with a Puranic tradition stating that it is the first of the Jyotirlingas. Standing at the temple, with the sound of the waves crashing against the shore and the evening prayers filling the air, you can feel the weight of history and the unbreakable spirit of devotion. The Somnath Temple is more than just a place of worship. It is a symbol of cultural and spiritual resilience that has shone brightly through the darkest of times. From the monolithic Kailasa to the celestial chariot of Konark, from the towering gopurams of Madurai to the resilient spirit of Somnath. India's ancient Hindu temples are so much more than stone and mortar. They are a gateway to understanding a rich and ancient civilization. They are chronicles of history, masterpieces of art, and centers of living faith. Each carving tells a story, each pillar sings a song, and each sanctum holds a universe of spiritual energy. This journey has only scratched the surface of the wonders that await. The true magic lies in walking these sacred grounds yourself, feeling the coolness of the ancient stones and breathing in the air of timeless devotion. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey through time and faith. We hope you felt inspired by the architectural marvels and untold stories of these sacred spaces. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more hidden wonders with us, please hit that like button. Share it with fellow travelers and history buffs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an adventure. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which of these temples would you love to visit first? Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.